Hi, and welcome back to the 8-Bit Retro Refix. And on this week's episode, we're going to go through some stuff and what the hell's going on. Sorry I've not done any videos over the last few weeks. I've had a lot of things going on in the background and I needed to take some time out for myself. But we're going to get back on it from the end of January. Speaking of the end of January, we have the Amiga meetup. I'll pop you some pictures up there so you can have a look at what I'm talking about. The Amiga meetup's happening in Leeds on the 27th of January. So we're going to be taking some stuff, as you can see. Just to get rid of. These are some parts, machines, if you like. The Amiga 1200 is a full complete unit. The 500s, they're in various states of despair, but they're going to be at the show for sale if anybody's interested. So we'll see you at the Amiga meet. Good stuff. What else have we got coming up? We've got quite a bit of stuff coming up, to be fair. We have the Commodore PC that I've been putting together over the last few years, collecting parts for it to get it all up and running. We're getting somewhere near there now, so I'm going to be showing that in an up and coming video. We've also got PCBWay's 1581 disk drive complete build. Them guys built that for me, so as you can see in that picture, it's completely built up. So I've just ordered it as is and it's come through, but we're going to have a chat about that in a later video too. What else is there? We've got the CBM double drive disk drive, the 1340. That's quite a big bloody unit, is that, to be fair. So we need to be digging into that. I have ordered a cable for it, and I do need the adapter so we can plug it into a Commodore 64 because I don't have a PET, so we can test that and have a look at that. But that's another one big project that's coming up. Speaking of projects, we have also got the SX64 project that we've been going on with. It's just got put to one side for the moment. We are struggling with one of the boards on there. I think it's the FFD or FDD, whichever way around it is, I can't quite remember, for the disk drive, because it's not accessing the disk drive just yet. So the replica boards are just not quite ready as yet. We were hoping that they would be out last year, but unfortunately, we've got to make sure that they're right before we can release them. So we've also got some ESD stuff coming for the Commodore 64. I do need to build these up and get these installed. So we've got the ESD for the joystick ports connectors that we've got to build. We've got some ESD for the CIA ports that you can see up there. So yeah, we've got some good stuff coming up. What else have we got? We've got some MSX cartridges to be building up. We've also got coming up soon, which I've not got round to it, and I do apologise for not getting to it just yet, but a gentleman sent me an A1200 from America, Colorado Springs, for me to do a recap on the board and to get the board working for him. I believe that there's some trace damage on there as well, but I'm not sure because I've not looked into it as yet, but that will be coming up. And last weekend, I went and met a gentleman over in Leeds that brought me a Philips CM8833 monitor. Just there. They're quite hard to get hold of, them monitors. This one is faulty. As soon as you switch it on, you get a high-pitched buzz, and then when you switch it off, the high-pitched buzz peters away. So I've looked into that, and I believe it is the flyback that's to fault with that. I do have a 1084S as well, the Commodore one, that's got a similar problem. So I'm going to order a couple of flybacks, and we'll get both them videos. They'll be coming out as well soon. What else? We picked up a while ago off a gentleman off Facebook, 548K Spectrum boards that we need to go through. And of course, I still got to get to all the storage hall stuff. So if you've not seen the videos on the storage hall, if you check my channel, you'll see the playlist. There's all the storage hall stuff that we picked up are in them videos. So yeah, there's quite a lot going on, and I don't know what the hell's going on. And don't forget, coming up just after the Amiga meeting show, which is on the 27th, we have got our live stream that we normally do, which is on the 28th. That'll be with Josip Retro Bits, Captain Commodore, and Retro for You and myself. We normally do one end of every month. We missed out on December's, so we've got a couple of months now where we've not done a stream, so we should have lots and lots to be talking about on there. So try to hit the subscribe, guys, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified about stream that's coming up and all up and going videos. And also, of course, you can check down in the description where you will see all the links to all the other YouTubers on the stream. So that's about it for this week. So yeah, we've got lots and lots and lots of stuff coming up. So I've told you everything that's coming up. If you've got a preference, what you'd like me to do first, hit me a comment and I'll see what I can do for you guys. If there's anything that you want me to change on the channel, because it is his third year down the line now. It is his birthday that's just passed on the 12th of January. 3 years on the channel now. So I'd like to know what you guys would want from me moving forward. What kind of structure would you want from me? What would you like to see more? Just let me know in the comments. And I'll see about making adjustments so it suits you guys out there. So that's it for this week. Well, hopefully the next video will be something on the Amiga Meet, maybe on Sunday the 28th before the stream. I'll try and get one launched out for that. Possibly. I'm making no promises because it is going to be quite a busy weekend. But until the next one, we'll see you and goodbye.